Oi, history buffs, you are not going to believe this. Nalanda Vidyalaya, the ancient university that taught subjects like astronomy and politics centuries before it was cool, is reopening. Yeah, you heard that right. The OG of educational institutions is back in action. Imagine this, a place where ancient scholars sat around not binging Netflix, but devouring scrolls and texts. That's right, fellas, no Wi-Fi, but full of wisdom. Established around the 5th century AD, Nalanda was the place to be if you wanted to be smarter than everyone else. After being razed to the ground in the 12th century by a not-so-friendly invader, Nalanda lay in ruins. But guess what? Fast forward to today and the Indian government, with a bit of magic and elbow grease, has brought it back to life. It's like Hogwarts, but real and with a much longer history. Now, this is not just a museum, folks. We're talking about a full-fledged operational university. Modern-day students prepare to be schooled in ancient wisdom. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to brag about attending the same institution as ancient scholars and monks? They've managed to keep the essence of the ancient architecture with a sprinkle of modern facilities. Think ancient bricks meeting Wi-Fi routers. Genius, right? So, if you're into history or just want an Instagrammable spot with a story, Nalanda Vidyalaya is your destination. I mean, where else can you say you're studying where someone might have discovered zero? So, pack your bags and dust off those history books. The epic reopening of Nalanda Vidyalaya this year, it's nothing short of magic. Don't miss it. Cheers.